What is up YouTube? What's happening? I hope everyone's doing fine. Another day. Got my helmet on. And we have Akshay Paji with us. What's up? Chalo, get in. Okay, so we are sitting in an e-rickshaw. Metros come. So we have to change 2 lines to reach Saket. Since half an hour we are walking. Sure, you guys must be seeing the excitement on my face. Got the keys. Too excited. Let's pick the bike. Okay, so I had an option to take this. Also I had an option to take the Interceptor, but I chose Himalayan because we are hitting the mountains. Okay, so first keys with you guys. Literally ऐसा लग रहा है like I'm buying this. You know, it's actually very tempting to buy. Okay, and speedo works fine. Always check your bike right before leaving. Look at the dash of Himalayan. Gravel grey, nice color. This is a BS6 variant, and this was a long due ride for this bike. So excited to ride this. Okay, today is the next day. I'm heading to Karol Bagh to pick up some inserts for my denims. I have already found a great jugaad to mount the GoPro. Okay, let's go to Karol Bagh. Yes, today is the next day, and I thought I'll come on my terrace and take this shot. Yes, this is my next design of the mask. Link in the description. I think I should stop talking about the mask and other merchandise till it's completely out, but you can still shop about it on Instagram. And let me quickly talk about my helmet setup. Tomorrow I head for Uttarakhand. Yes, I have done the registration online. So the main reason of visiting Karol Bagh was very simple. I wanted to buy knee inserts for my Levi's pants, which you guys saw already in my previous vlog. And there are plenty of fakes available in Karol Bagh, and I did not want to take a chance. Finally I got my hands on EVO, and this is really nice because it's level 2, so I've put those inserts in my pants, which you will see eventually in my vlogs to Uttarakhand. Unfortunately guys, I don't have a drone. This trip was not actually planned, but then now that I got an opportunity, why not ride about it? So post Diwali I'm planning a ride to a place, and I'll be there for 1 month. Yeah, that's my plan. Nowadays I've realized that I should stay in cities for literally 20 days or a month. That's the best way to explore. And yes guys, I don't often vlog nowadays. I explore on my own a lot, which is not right for you guys, right? Because y'all are my homies, I should be fair with you guys and show most of the things which I actually capture. Fortunately the GoPro is by Nemo. Nemo, if you're watching, thanks a lot buddy. And I know Nemo's gonna hate this setup, but actually this is safe. I'll just show y'all quickly. 4 years back I had done a video about this strap. Yes, actually this is my fitness strap. It's for your wrist control, and it's very important when you're doing weight training. I had done a video which was decent enough for a lot of people to actually take action shots through their mobile phones. You don't even need a GoPro. I'm using the same strap. I always keep it handy because you never know this might be useful. So it's very simple. In any off-road helmet you'll always see a vent here, which is actually for the air to pass. I just slip this here, and now I'll actually put the strap on, which I'll show you. So whenever I ride the Himalayan, I prefer the mount here rather than chin mount, is because the visor actually takes most of the place. Mount is below and it's hooked on with the key, so it's no chance gonna come out. I'm gonna further secure it. I'll just show you all. The reason I like this strap is because it's got a very strong Velcro system, obviously because it's used in the gym. I'm gonna actually give you all a kind of a demonstration. This is the actual view. I've kept it on 60 frame, simple, normal, wide, and this is how it is. Even once I sit on the motorcycle, this setup is decent enough. Okay, so Akshay is here also. We're gonna quickly show you guys that we got a new mobile holder for the Himalayan, which I will use on my Interceptor in future also once I return the Himalayan. कैसा लगा वो mobile holder? अच्छा है ना? It's without a charger and it's for 350 rupees. Good discount I got from क्या? Golden Bikes. Golden Bikes at Karol Bagh. Yep. Rest of the experience of Karol Bagh was different. So you just have to remove the key. Then this becomes, can you hear the metal clinging? So it's decent. I don't know the brand name. It had no brand name written on it. All you gotta do is mount your mobile and you can see it's nice and firm. Then he can tighten it. There you go. So well, this is my setup. I hope you guys like today's vlog and stay tuned for my Uttarakhand ride vlogs, which is going to be for 4 or 5 days. I will try my best to do it daily or something. I don't know how it's going to be, but I will post videos. If Wi-Fi is a problem, I'll come back and post the videos, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, support me, press the thumbs up button. Yes, you can purchase my mask also to help me out to grow this channel. And as usual friends, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from Rad Moto.